This is Mr. Islam Yusuf. I am a head of mathematics department at one of the international school in KSA. I am a SAT instructor. I have been teaching math since 2005. I will present 5 chapters of Algebra 1 book in this course. As we said that this course contains 5 chapters. Chapter 1, Expressions and Function. Chapter 2, Linear Equation. Chapter 3, Linear and Nonlinear Function. Chapter 4, Equations of Linear Functions. Chapter 5, Linear Inequalities. In Chapter 1 we will know the variable and expressions, order of operations, the properties of the numbers, the distributive property, relations, and the functions. In Chapter 2 we will know writing equations, solving one-step equation, solving a multi-step equation, solving equation with a variable on each side, solving equation involving absolute value, ratio and proportion, literal equation and dimensional analysis. In Chapter 3 we will know graphing linear function, zeros of the functions, rate of change and slope and intercept form, transformation of the function, arithmetic sequence as a linear function, piecewise and step function, absolute value functions. In Chapter 4 we will know writing equation in slope-intercept form, writing equation in standard and point slope form, parallel and perpendicular lines, inverse of linear functions. In Chapter 5 we will know solving inequalities by addition and subtraction, solving inequalities by multiplication and division, solving multi-step inequalities, solving compound inequalities, inequalities involving absolute value, graphing inequalities in 2 variables. Addition to that, all of the material are provided, worksheet and quizzes. Mr. Islam Yusuf.